I'm Tom Gentile, America's #1 pattern trader. I want to talk to you today about options. I want to talk about a number of issues, but the most important thing that you need to think about if you're new to options trading is how to find the right broker. All right, so I'm going to take you to my computer. We're going to go look at a couple of brokerage firms, and I'm going to show you what I believe are my top 3 picks when it comes to finding a broker. And by the way, keep this in mind, I don't get paid a dime to push you into any direction of a brokerage firm. That's your decision, all right? I just want to educate you on what I like. So before I do that, let's talk about the important facts that you need to know about choosing an options broker. Most important to me is make sure it's a publicly traded firm, that they actually have a stock symbol so that you can easily tell by the stock price what kind of shape it's in. Or, worst case scenario, make sure it's a big firm that is on the verge of going public. I'm going to show you one of those here before we're done. Next, make sure they allow advanced option strategies. All right, because the more you become educated in this business, the more important these become as part of your tools. And finally, don't worry so much about the fees. Fees have come way down. It's more important to make sure they have a platform that you can work with. All right, so let's move forward. Let's take a look at what I like. All right, number 1, Charles Schwab. All right, and all 3 of these, I have their platforms and I have accounts, and each one has its own pluses and minuses. But and these aren't the only 3. You can go out and you can Google tons of them, but these 3 are going to show up on a lot of people's top picks. Now, the big thing I like about Schwab is they have a platform that's a web-based platform that is fantastic. It's very easy. It works very well. You can see here by going to schwab.com. You can see what they offer. You can see what they charge. They even give you an idea of why them versus the other brokers and some insights as well. All right, so schwab.com is one of the 3. The next is TD Ameritrade. Now, why do I like TD Ameritrade? Because they have a platform you can download that's a very advanced platform. All right, it's in their tools and platforms area. So if you're looking at them and you seem to be more of an astute investor, you can go in and you can actually create your own signals within the Thinkorswim platform, which is part of TD Ameritrade. I think it's a really cool one. It's a little bit tougher in terms of knowing maybe a little bit of basic programming, etc., but it's a great platform nonetheless. Number 3, and this is a new one. My son actually got me interested in this one, and I have an account with them too, and that is a company called Robinhood. Now, Robinhood is not a publicly traded firm, but they are a big one, and they are in the process of putting together an IPO. The great thing about Robinhood, this is really one for those of you that are millennials, all right? Great, fantastic mobile platform that they have. They also do not charge any commissions at all right? But don't for a moment think that that makes them better than anyone else, all right? They're getting paid somehow. If they're not charging you commissions, they're getting paid to send your order flow to specific places on specific trading exchanges so they can get a kickback. That's how they get paid, all right? But get out of that for a moment and look at the fact that they have a fantastic mobile platform that you can download on your iPhone or Android device. And all of these 3, I believe, are 3 of the best out there when it comes to trading options. Now, in my next video, I'm actually going to show you how easy it is to open up one of these accounts. So, till then, I'll see you soon. Bye now.